What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial on how we can convert a video to text in Python. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I will take a video, will convert to text. Okay, and the text what we are going to do is we perform a sentiment analysis. Okay, to perform sentiment analysis I've been already done videos and even posted a few of these things. Okay, so you can check it out in my website. You can visit www.profitdataweb.com and search opinion. Say opinion mining or sentiment analysis. Okay, you will get this post. So you just check it out. So recently I've been done a video on talking about the breaking news in Python. So I'll give the link in the description. So do check it out. Okay, so at least 2 videos are in this category. Okay, for the recent scandal, and even I have shown how you can create a mobile application. Okay, and can do extraction from the PDF. So PDF text extract is there where I've been utilizing my PDF2 module, and one more video is there which is PDF text for utilizing this PDF miner module. Okay, so 2 or 3 modules have been utilized. Okay, and NLP is like whatever I've been utilized this. Okay, so you can check it out. Good post is available. Okay, including machine learning part for each and everything. This is also there, which what happens will convert your any language to required language. Okay, so which you can check it out. And the next is parameters from audio microphone, where I've been given the instruction of speech recognition. Okay, so you can check this stuff. So I'm going to utilize the same. It was done in the microphone. Right now I'm going to show you the MP4 conversions. What I've done, I have recorded a video which I've given a news as this stuff. So I'm going to play that video. So check it out. Karnataka government orders State Department to close accounts in SBI and PNB. The state government has set September 20 deadline for all state departments to comply according to a circular from Finance Department. The Karnataka government on Wednesday ordered all departments to close their accounts in SBI and PNB. All state departments have been directed to close accounts and recover deposits. No further deposits or investments will be allowed in these banks. The decision has been taken over alleged misappropriation of funds. The state government has set September 20 deadline for all departments to comply. According to a circular dated August 12 from PC Zafar, Secretary Budget and Resources, Finance Department, which has been approved by CM Siddaramaiah. Okay, so as you can see, this is my video. I'm gonna convert them, and one more thing is there, you can convert from audio to text as well. Okay, so that will be a different video, especially on audio manipulation. Okay, which you can refer. Okay, and I'm gonna do it very much simple for this stuff. One more thing is required, it is moviepy. So I think speech recognition you can try from that video, and for this moviepy, you just open this CMD. Okay, and say pip install moviepy. Okay, so all you have to say pip install moviepy. Okay, and you will get downloaded this module, and it will help you to especially get that video. From that video, whatever the spoken things are there will be converted into audio file. Okay, so for speech recognition module, I required an audio file that is should be in a wave format, means window audio video like that. Okay, so it's like kind of a media player especially for the window, which is recognition by this SR module, which is speech recognition module. Okay, so I'm gonna do this stuff. So especially you need to understand why I'm doing, because a number of resources will be there, especially conversion from test recognition. Okay, So what I'm doing, say special files will be there. Okay, so right now this special news, if it is coming, okay, so instead of like reading all those notes, if it is in a video format, okay, somebody is like say suppose you want to like fetch a person news to be you have recorded and you want to like decode that stuff. Okay, so what you can do, you can download the stuff, okay, and then you can break these things in sentiment analysis. For that you can utilize this text flow. Okay, here I'm gonna only do it is I will convert this in a text, and after converting, what you can do, you can add this text in this tab. Okay, whether it is in list or a CSS file, that is up to you. So for that reason you can check this video. Okay, so let's move to the text editor and we'll make it very much simple. So what we are doing, first of all, we call the moviepy, which will be import moviepy, okay, dot editor as mp. Okay, set done. And one more module which we require, it is import speech underscore recognition as SR. Okay, so here we are done. Now we have to say audio underscore file. Okay, so what we have to say, mp dot audio. So this will be the syntax, audio file clip. Okay, and we have to give it here the news.mp4. Okay, so this not recognized by the speech recognition. Okay, so you need to convert them in a way. Okay, so if anything manipulation is required, spoken things to be converted in a text, we should utilize moviepy. That is the best. I mean, especially the video manipulation done by the moviepy. Okay, so these two modules has a broad range of things need to be done. Okay, so this you need to be like at the initial stage you need to understand. Okay, so try to follow this video. Okay, audio underscore file should be write it down, which will say write underscore audio file, and we will give them in a temp dot web. Okay, so this is I have to do. And next thing I have to call this speech recognition, which will be recognizer. Okay, and we will call SR, and this function we will call recognizer parenthesis. Okay, now next we have to call this audio file, which will be our converted, which will be our temp file, temporary file, which is web. Okay, and the next what we have to do is we have to call as we do with the CSV file. Okay, so this is the thing, the point which you need to understand the similarities between a CSV file and this MP4 and WAV file. All those are files which can be manipulated and can be utilized for further purposes. Okay, especially in our case, as financial sentiment analysis plays a bigger picture, especially in a trading part. Okay, fundamental analysis, lots of things. Okay, especially like if you want to convert any kind of a movies are there and you require some text, so that is can be done from this stuff. Okay, so try to do from your point of view. Okay, I will say with SR dot audio file. Okay, and in this what I will put the audio file. Okay, and I will call them as source. Okay, so source, what we are doing with the source, which is audio underscore data, and if we got our source, we are just calling as a recognizer function, and what we are doing with the recognizer, we are giving them in this our record method. So whatever this record will be there, so we should record the source. Okay, so this is here I have to give, and the next thing which we have to give is text, because whatever we got, we have to say the recognizer. Okay, and it should be recognized by the Google. We'll say as a recognize underscore Google, and that's need to be done with our audio data. Okay, so that's it done. Perfect. And that should be converted in a text. So if you are not doing any mistake, it will give you each and everything what is required. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it started the conversion. Okay, and the conversion is much more faster. Okay, depending if you are not utilizing any other resources of your computer, it will completely done. Okay, within few minutes of its time. Okay, now what we done here, our WAV file is converted. Now we are going for the text, and these things can be converted with the help of our uh, VLC file as well. So if we go with as a convert or save, okay, but what we are doing, once you are doing, you need to play this file. I think it is best. Okay, so as you can see, it is converted. Okay, so the WAV file is converted, and we are able to see the same stuff. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to copy this stuff and put it in this audio text. And one more thing which we see, that some of the things have been not recognized by the speech recognitions, but it is okay. So what we are doing here is we are just checking out this neutral, positive and negative. So I think this much data will be enough to do what we are looking for. Okay, so I must say thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or comments, please do contact me there by WhatsApp. Thank you.